What's up, guys? All right, so I don't know about you guys, but have you ever tried to clean grout? It's very time consuming, a lot of elbow grease, and very time consuming. I had to figure out a way in order to do it faster and a lot less tiresome. So what I did, I took my brush that I used to clean tile, okay? And what I did is I took a Sawzall blade and I drilled through here and drilled through there. The screws that I use are 632s, and I tried to make it as low profile as possible so I don't wind up. You shouldn't have your hand underneath there anyway, but anyway. So now, what? All right, so let me show you something. So we basically go section by section trying to get the grout clean. So this is basically what it's supposed to look like. And then we have dirty section. All right. It's taking forever. The next section that we're doing is going to be this hallway. So basically, I'm just going to go around that circle right there and see what it turns out like. All right, so we're going to take some water. Wet everything up a little bit. Some baking soda. We're going to add a little bit more water. So that square is what I did. Now we're going to wait for it to dry, and I'll show you the difference of what it looked like before. All right, there's our square. Nice and clean. All right, so this is what it looked like before, and this is what it looks like now. All right, so obviously it works. So give this a shot. Your muscles will thank you. All right, so subscribe to the channel. This is Johnny's Tips and Tricks, and if this helps you out, hit the like button. That helps me out. I hope this helps.